Today, what I'll be doing for this video is to give you a demonstration on how you can use ChatGPT to build your resume. First off, the most important you need to know for ChatGPT to create a resume is providing information. If you try entering a prompt and simply asking ChatGPT to make a resume for you, it does generate a template, but it does need further information to organize your resume overall. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. So, what I'm going to do here is provide a bit of information about myself. As you can see from my prompt here, I wrote down what was mainly included in the resume: previous work experiences, skills and achievements, education. Now I'm just going to hit send, and we'll see what ChatGPT would do with everything that I typed down here to include in the resume template. So as you can see, the information that I typed in my prompt have now been crafted into the resume template that ChatGPT had generated. Here is my achievement right here, my soft skills, technical skills right here, my previous work experiences, my education here, and everything else that I typed in the prompt. Here's another thing you could do. Let's say you'd want your resume more suited to the job you're willing to apply for. You can specify your prompt by adding the job description and requirements just so ChatGPT could match and tweak your resume as followed here. Feel free to take your finalizing your resume and make any necessary adjustments until you have your resume ready to impress potential employers.